A controversial law that activists say discriminates against LGBT individuals and sexual minorities. Under the legislation, any content deemed to promote or portray homosexuality or gender realignment to minors will be banned. Critics say this means that certain books and movies for children like Harry Potter and Billy Elliot will be outlawed, while concerts and radio playlists will also be affected. The law also limits sex education in schools. Classes can now only be taught by organisations that are registered with a state agency, thereby excluding NGOs. The law was originally aimed at introducing tougher sanctions on those convicted of sexual crimes against minors. But days before the final vote, amendments outlawing LGBT references were submitted by Viktor Orban's ruling Fidesz party. The legislation, passed last month, has been condemned by several EU leaders. Critics, including Europe's top rights watchdog, say the law conflates paedophilia with LGBT issues and curbs the rights of minorities. Hungary's hardline nationalist Prime Minister dismisses that criticism as a coordinated attack, insisting that the law doesn't discriminate against anyone. Facing re-election next year, Orban has grown increasingly radical on social policy, railing against immigrants and the LGBT community. Amendments introduced to the Hungarian constitution in December altered the definition of families to exclude transgender and other LGBT individuals. Another recent law effectively banned same-sex couples from adopting. The EU has already launched rule of law action against Budapest, which is now at risk of losing its voting rights if found to be in serious breach of the bloc's values.